Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For my new subscribers, welcome as well. My name is Ruby, and for today's look I will be doing this full face fall tutorial for you guys. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned and keep on watching.
So I'm taking this really pretty blue from the Slayette palette, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it all over my outer crease. Going in with this small detailed brush from benefitcosmetics, I'm just making sure that it's really packed really good in that outer crease. I'm kind of drawing like a C shape around my eye. I'm doing circular motions just to go ahead and blend out any harsh lines that I do have. I'm doing the same thing right here. I'm just packing up the color and then doing circular motions to blend out any harsh lines. Going in with this Lorac eyeshadow in this plum color. I really don't know the name, but I just know that it's from Lacolor. I'm just packing it in the inner corner and blending all the colors together. Going in with this orange, I'm just applying it in the center of my eyelid, and then I'm just blending all the colors together. The lashes I'll be using are from LA Splash Cosmetics, and they're from the Lash Tease collection. For my inner corner, I'm going to go ahead and apply this Purcosmetics Sculpture Palette Highlight, and it's just to give me the extra pop because I will be applying some glitter on there. I am now using the Purcosmetics Sculpture Highlighting Palette to highlight a little bit of my brow bone. For my inner corner, I will be taking the Mermaidscalesusa Golden Rust Glitter. This glitter is super bomb, guys. For my face, I have been mixing these two, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Cream Beige, and then the LA Girl Pro Coverage, and that would be in the shade Porcelain. As you guys can see, the Porcelain is a little bit too light for my skin, but that's the reason that I've been mixing it with the Wet n Wild. And I don't know, I've just been loving how it leaves my skin. It's been leaving it really hydrated. To conceal and to highlight my face, I am going in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the shade Neutralizer and the Milani Retouch Erase Concealer in the shade 05 Honey. You guys, I used to have the problem that no matter what I would do, even if I would bake, no matter what concealer I would use, by the end of the day, I would have my concealer creasing, and I would hate that so much. I recently purchased the Milani one, and you guys, it's so good. The only thing is that it's not my shade. To set my under eyes, I am going in with this RCMA powder. I used to always use this powder, but for some reason it started drying out my under eyes, and recently I started using it again, not to bake, just to set, and I don't know, I've just been loving how it's been leaving my skin. To contour and bronze up my face a little bit, I will be mixing these two together. To contour the shit out of my face, I am using the RCMA powder as well, and I leave this on for maybe like 2 minutes the most. For my under eyes, I am going in with this black jumbo eyeshadow pencil, and then I will be combining it with the Diamond Dust Mineral eyeshadow from LA Splash Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Chameleon. And then I will be taking the second color that we did use at the very beginning, and I will be applying that under that Chameleon color just to blend out everything together. Last but not least, I will be taking these two lip colors and combining them together. You guys, one more thing, I'm so sorry for my voice. I'm like super sick, and I recorded this video before I got sick, so I had to do a voiceover. So again, I'm so sorry, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Sorry guys, I lied. I had said that the lipstick was the last thing. Oh my god, I forgot. But last but not least would be this highlight. Look at this highlight, guys. It's like popping, like I don't even have to edit that shit. Like, it just speaks for itself. It's super bomb. It's from Purcosmetics, the Sculpture Palette.
Alright guys, this is all for this look. I hope you guys really liked it and enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to before you leave this video, and then hit the little bell to get notified every time I do upload a video. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye guys!